We're always looking for natural alternatives to over-the-counter and prescription medications. One such natural remedy is the combination of olive oil and lemon juice. While it's not a cure for serious illnesses, this mixture can help alleviate certain symptoms and promote overall well-being. Today, we'll explore the incredible benefits of mixing lemon juice and olive oil. 1. Detoxifies the body. Lemon juice and olive oil are known for their detoxifying properties. Together, they can help remove harmful toxins from the body, cleanse the liver and gallbladder, and protect these organs from damaging substances. 2. Improves hair, skin, and nails. This mixture is excellent for maintaining healthy nails, hair, and skin. Applying it directly to your cuticles keeps them hydrated and strong, reducing the risk of hangnails. Lemon juice fights bacteria, cleanses the skin, and alleviates dandruff on the scalp. 3. Relieves constipation. Both olive oil and lemon juice act as natural laxatives, promoting comfortable bowel movements. Lemon juice's anti-inflammatory properties also reduce swelling in the intestines and abdominal walls, relieving bloating, gas, and stomach tension. 4. Balances cholesterol levels. This powerful combination helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while boosting good cholesterol, HDL. It also promotes joint mobility and reduces stress on bones and joints. 5. Enhances circulation. Olive oil improves blood circulation and prevents blood clots. When applied topically, this mixture can reduce the appearance of varicose veins while also nourishing the skin. 6. Regulates blood pressure. Consuming this mixture during breakfast can help stabilize blood pressure levels. Its detoxifying properties, combined with essential minerals, support overall cardiovascular health. How to prepare and use the mixture? Ingredients: ½ tablespoon olive oil, ½ tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Instructions: 1. Mix the olive oil and lemon juice thoroughly. 2. Consume the mixture before breakfast. 3. For best results, consume this twice or thrice a week. Incorporating this simple and natural remedy into your routine can yield remarkable benefits for your health and well-being.